Hey guys, John here over at Byrider in Green Bay. Just taking a minute to show you one of the vehicles that we're putting on our lot right now, actually. I just got this in from my Appleton location, and I just wanted to take a minute and show it off to you. This is our 2012 Dodge Journey. It's got seating for 7. This is the full-size SUV version. The Journey can come in a couple different models. One of them seating for 5, one of them seating for 7. This is the seating for 7 one. So if you've got a bigger family, this might be a really good option for you. The car is absolutely gorgeous. Let me take you outside, show you this. It's a beautiful blue color. And it's just a very nice looking vehicle, very sharp looking vehicle. So I've got this and a whole bunch of other options for sale on my lot right now. If you're looking for something that meets all your family's needs, this might be a really good option for you. It's going to be pretty up to date. And if you don't need the extra seating, these seats will fold forward, and you can use it just like you would a regular SUV and have a little extra storage in there. So if you're looking for something, feel free to stop by, give me a call. My number here is 920-455-7788, or you can stop by and visit me here at our location, 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin. Just look for the sign. Talk to you soon, guys. Hope you have a really great day.